Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC B1175 indicates a malfunction in the fuel level sensor circuit, specifically associated with the fuel gauge sending unit. This component is responsible for indicating the fuel level within the fuel tank on the dashboard gauge. Located within the fuel tank, the fuel gauge sending unit utilizes a float mechanism that changes resistance based on fuel level changes. This resistance information is sent to the gauge control module, which interprets it and moves the fuel gauge accordingly. A malfunction can result in incorrect fuel level readings, which can affect vehicle operation and planning for refueling. Proper diagnosis is crucial to ensure the functionality and reliability of the vehicle's fuel gauge system. The error described by DTC B1175 refers to a malfunction detected in the fuel gauge sensor circuit, particularly the fuel gauge sending unit. This component is crucial for relaying the fuel level information from the tank to the gauge control module, which processes the data to display the fuel level on the dashboard. In terms of its physical location, the fuel gauge sending unit is found within the fuel tank, where its float adjusts to changing fuel levels. If the sensor fails, it can cause the fuel gauge to display erroneous information, such as showing a full tank when it is empty. Recognizing this issue is vital for maintaining accurate fuel level readings. Diagnostic steps must be followed to isolate the problem effectively and determine the appropriate repair actions. Various possible causes could lead to the occurrence of DTC B1175. Firstly, a damaged fuel gauge sending unit itself may not function correctly, leading to inaccurate readings or total failure in communicating with the gauge control module. Secondly, wiring issues could include poor connections, shorts, or open circuits in the wiring, leading to or from the sending unit or gauge control module. This can prevent the proper signal transmission needed for accurate measurements. Lastly, a failed gauge control module may misinterpret the signals received from the fuel gauge sending unit or fail to send out proper responses to the fuel gauge. Judicious examination of these components is necessary to ascertain the root cause of the issue, ensuring a reliable fix. The symptoms associated with DTC B1175 typically involve erratic behavior of the fuel gauge readings. Commonly, drivers may notice that the fuel gauge is stuck at the empty position or does not reflect the actual fuel level accurately. An additional symptom could be the low fuel indicator blinking, indicating to the driver that there may be a malfunction within the fuel level sending unit circuit. This not only leads to confusion, but can also affect the driver's ability to manage fuel consumption effectively. Recognizing these warning signs early on can help pinpoint the issue promptly, leading to swift diagnostic measures for resolution. It's essential for drivers to be aware of these symptoms to mitigate any potential operational hazards. In the first troubleshooting step for DTC B1175, begin by checking the fuel gauge performance. It's essential to observe whether the gauge moves to the empty position and if the low fuel indicator blinks. Should the gauge indicate the empty position and the indicator blinks, this is crucial data suggesting a malfunction in the sensor circuit. If this doesn't occur, the fault might be intermittent, indicating that the system is currently operational, but may have loose or poor connections. Conducting a visual inspection for damaged plugs or loose wiring is an important action at this stage. Documentation of findings is vital, as it aids in referencing any other troubleshooting steps needed for resolution. In troubleshooting step 2 for DTC B1175, the first action involves turning the ignition switch to the lock position. Following this, the fuel gauge sending unit's 4P connector needs to be disconnected to isolate the system for testing. This will prevent any erroneous readings during the troubleshooting process. Then, Using a 2-ohm resistor and a jumper wire, connect terminals A and B. Terminal A represents the fuel gauge sending unit connector number 2, YLE, and terminal B leads to body ground. This step simulates a full fuel condition in the gauge system. After performing these actions, the next procedure is to remove the number A2910A fuse from the underhood fuse relay box for about 10 seconds before reinserting it. Ensuring that these connections are made accurately is imperative for effective diagnosis. Step 3 in the troubleshooting guide for DTC B1175 involves checking the voltage at designated test points. With the ignition in the on position, and while the fuel gauge sending unit 4P connector is disconnected, measure the voltage between the specified test points 1 and 2. Test point 1 corresponds to gauge control module connector number 22, blue, while test point 2 is the body ground. Detecting battery voltage during this test indicates that the fuel gauge plus line is functioning correctly. Conversely, if there's no battery voltage detected, the wiring itself is likely intact, and attention should pivot towards replacing the gauge control module instead. This requires careful examination and documentation of voltage measurements obtained during the test. In the final troubleshooting step, first, ensure the ignition switch is turned to the lock position. Next, proceed to disconnect the gauge control module's 32P connector. This disconnection is essential as it allows for a seamless check of continuity between the designated test points. Here, you will measure continuity between gauge control module connector number 21, BLK, and the fuel gauge sending unit connector number 4, PUR, while the gauge sending unit connection remains disconnected. If continuity is established between these points, this indicates that the fuel gauge line is functioning properly and the fault likely resides within the fuel gauge sending unit itself, calling for its replacement. In cases where continuity is not detected, a repair of an open or high resistance within the wire is recommended. Following the troubleshooting and necessary repairs for DTC B1175, it is crucial to conduct a final verification of the repair made. Begin by ensuring that all connections have been securely reassembled. A comprehensive test of the fuel gauge operation should follow to ascertain that it functions according to the expected behavior. Observing the gauge movement from empty to full as the conditions are adjusted is vital in confirming that the issues have been effectively resolved. Only after satisfactory test results can it be confidently concluded that the repair was successful. Documentation of the entire process, encompassing checks performed and results obtained, is essential for future reference and servicing. This additional step reaffirms the reliability and accuracy of the fuel sensing system. While specific preventive maintenance tasks concerning DTC B1175 were not outlined, some general practices can be adopted to enhance the durability and functionality of the fuel gauge system. Regular inspections of wiring, connectors, and junctions are imperative to prevent degradation from environmental factors or wear over time. Drivers should also cultivate the habit of monitoring fuel gauge readings vigilantly. Any irregular behavior noticed should prompt an immediate checkup. Additionally, ensuring that all key connections remain clean and securely fastened can prevent intermittent faults and maintain consistent communication between components. Staying proactive in these maintenance measures can significantly reduce the likelihood of encountering similar faults in the future. In summation, DTC B1175 highlights critical malfunctions within the fuel level sensor circuit, necessitating a thorough understanding of the involved components and their functions. Following the structured troubleshooting steps provided can effectively guide technicians in diagnosing the issue, ranging from the fuel gauge sending unit to the gauge control module. each symptom and potential cause is significant in refining the diagnostic approach. Ensuring timely identification of underlying problems. Adopting preventive maintenance practices further fosters the longevity and reliability of the fuel system, preventing future faults. Ultimately, grasping the nuances of DTC B1175 and applying targeted strategies ensures successful vehicle operation and mitigates the risks associated with improper fuel level indications. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.